即马英国的经济歹，健保的经费嘛无够，持续去牵着患者治疗的时间，特别是心脏科，目前还阁有几千个心脏病患者等转诊已经超过1年啊。若是一直拢无机会排着动手术的时间，恐惊会有性命危险。
药啊分做3顿菜伫咧桌仔顶，62岁扣分爱照时间食药啊。伊伫前年4月因为正手的疼去看医生，诊断出是心脏病，才做心脏隧道手术，若无会有性命危险。不过已经过2年啊，伊还阁伫咧排队等。
The first part of the delay was through COVID, and that was the main excuse given all the time. That made absolutely perfect sense. It's then continued now till past the Christmas time, being December 2022, and then I was told that I was going to have the actual operation was going to be on January the 17th. That got cancelled.
专家讲，真侪心脏疾病爱去大病心脏专科医生诊断，照法都被发现。患者心脏病举起来时阵，就要伫咧18分钟内送去救护车，可阮迄人准是等20分钟。上新的数字显示，英国的患者平均就要等93分钟。疫情发生了，平均一礼拜有超过230人因为心脏疾病的治疗停来，造成感染新冠肺炎并发心脏病而死亡。这个数字伫咧确诊人数下降了，永远是降袂落来。再加上老大人愈来愈多，政府财政紧缩加医护罢工。英国公立病院大部分的常规加非急诊的手术拢一日前，有钱的人会转去私人病院，无钱的人只好继续排队等。全国总有720万人伫咧国民健保署的排队名单内面，造成因为心脏问题、癌症或者是其他疾病死亡的人数愈来愈多。
So the best thing to put the health services funding on a more sustainable trajectory would be a sustained increase in economic growth and the tax revenues that would come along with it.
虽然苏纳克政府将国民健保的议题列做优先处理的项目，官员也讲工会有算，占政府日支出的4成。不过这几年来现实的情形是，连一般门诊拢排甲落长，病院病床无够，心脏手术这款高难度的医疗行为，恐惊还阁慢慢等。公司新闻牛眼编辑。